Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on embedding the Report Designer control from the Bold Reports report server into an ASP.NET web form application. The Report Designer is a web-based reporting tool used to create and edit RDL standard reports. It offers a wide range of report items to transform data into meaningful visuals. You can quickly build reports by using features like data source connections, a user-friendly interface, report parameters, and expressions. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to integrate this Report Designer control into an ASP.NET web form application. First, I open Visual Studio and create a new project. I select the ASP.NET Web Application.NET framework and click Next. Rename the application and click Create. Next, I choose the Web Forms template and enable the Web API option in the Add Folders and Core References section. Then I create the project. To add the necessary dependency packages, I open the Solution Explorer and select Manage NuGet Packages. I search for and install the following packages: boldreports.web, boldreports.webforms, and boldreports.javascript. The boldreports.web package is used to create the Web API service for report processing. The boldreports.webforms package provides tag helpers for rendering the client-side Report Designer control. The boldreports.javascript NuGet package contains the scripts and style sheets. I open the web.config file and add the boldreports.webforms assembly reference to the system.web.pages.control element. Then I open the default.aspx page, copy the required code from the documentation, and add it inside an ASP tag. Now, I will initialize the Web Report Designer. I create the div element, which acts as the container for the Report Designer on the web page, and assign styles. The style attribute adds inline styles to the div element, assigning width and height. Then I add a Bold Report Designer tag to it. This is a custom HTML element provided by the Bold Reports library that is used to embed the designer in a web page. Inside the tag, I add the ID attribute. I add the service URL, report server URL, and service authorization token API properties. There are 3 options for generating the authorization token for the Bold Reports report server. In this demo, I'll embed a secret API key. To do this, I open the report server application and navigate to my profile. On this page, I select Personal Access Token and then click Generate Token. Then I choose Yes to generate the authorization token. I copy and add it to the application. Service URL specifies the Web API service URL. Report server URL specifies the server information. And service authorization token authorizes access to the report server and APIs. Now, everything is ready to run the application. I run it, and the Report Designer loads in the browser. I add some report items to the canvas and save the report to the server application. As you can see, the report is now available in the application. In this video, I've shown you how to embed the Report Designer control from the report server in an ASP.NET web form application. I have provided a link to the relevant documentation in the video description. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.